Hi, I'm Clara Roberts-Oss, the creator of the Lila School of Vinyasa Yoga, as well as the Practice with Clara app. I wanted to share a bit of news with you. We now have continuing education courses on the Practice with Clara app. So all my yoga teacher friends, if you're looking to sharpen your skills, get inspired, come join us at Practice with Clara. We have 6 programs working towards peak poses. We call it the Peak Pose Playlist. And it's essentially 7 classes that works towards a peak pose. So if you're looking to figure out how to either develop your own home practice or really for your students, you can check out this course. If you're looking to kind of dive deeper into working towards a specific peak pose within a class, we have what we call the Play with Purpose bundle that actually can be purchased separately from the membership, or it's included in the membership, the monthly membership. And those are 4 2-hour classes that work towards 4 specific poses. I made sure to do 2 quote unquote advanced poses and 2 more accessible poses, depending upon the level of studentship that you have. If you want to take it a step further, we have what we call the Play and Learn bundle, which can be purchased separately. And essentially it's those 4 classes and then me lecturing. So about 20 to 30 minutes after each class, I lecture how I created the sequence and why. So if you're wondering how I do all of the things that I do, this is a great bundle for you. Last but not least, those of us who are looking to develop more in terms of philosophy, we have what we're calling the Archetype playlist. And essentially it is a lecture on, right now what we have on there is the goddesses. So a lecture about each of the goddesses, specifically of what we call the Tri-Devi, so Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Durga. And then we have classes that I've created based on those goddesses, so do check them out. If you're not already a member, we have a 7-day free trial. You can check it all out. And again, those bundles can come separately. If you have any questions, just post them up in the comments or drop us an email at lilavinyasa@clararobertsoss.com. Thanks.
If you like that video, you'll probably like these. And if you want more videos, go to my membership site. Either way, let's stay connected.